Good morning, girls. How are you? Today's lesson, find the original number. Uh, Find the original number means the base. For example, in this, this formula, percentage is equal to rate into the base. The original number means a base, or this is also called a total number, or it's called total amount, or the original amount. In this one, what is your aim for today's lesson? Find the original number. Then how to find? For example, one example is giving, then 45 play for the bowling legal, and they are a total number is 9 bowling legal player. That means 45% is the rate, and the percentage is given 9. Then find the, in this one, base. Then make a equation for this one. 45% of what number is 9? Then again, two method for solving. Before also for the percentage, for the rate. Now you learn the original number or base. In this one, write and solve an equation with the equation method, and in this other method is your proportion method. Then first your equation, 40% of b is equal to 9, then 40 by 100 is in decimal 0.45, b is equal to 9. Of means multiply. Then 45 0.45 b is there. Then what is your aim? B alone. Then you divide by both the side with 0.45. Then you can see divide by 0.45. What is the answer? 9 divided by 0.45 is 20. So the how many are altogether pupil is, total number pupil is 20. In the same way for solving proportion, this is part and the whole. What is the part? 45% of out of 100, and in this one part is given and whole you can find out. Again cross multiply. 45 multiplied by b, 9 multiplied by 100 is 900, and then again b alone. In this one, divide both the side by 45. What is the answer? The same answer is coming. This one, b is equal to 20. You want to solve with this method or with the proportion method? It's to you. This one, study these example. These two more example, and here in this one again you can see 25% rate is given, and 25%, and what is the percentage of this one? Or it is 45. Then you can see 25 again and find the total saving. In this one, how much has saved in all? That means total saving. Then 25% of the base. Base is in this one, you can put saving, s is equal to 45, and then for 25 divided by 100 and simplify in a fraction is 1 by 4. Then how to simplify? It is 1 by 4, then reciprocal is 4 by 1, both this side. Then s is equal to 45 into 4 is 180. That means save all together saving is 180. In the second example, in this one, it is giving a saving 2 268.80. And what is the rate? 45%. Then what amount of the money does in all, that means all you can find in this one, want to save? All together is you find. All together you find. And 42% of all is given is 268.80. Then again convert into, in this one's decimal. How to convert? You know, a decimal, two places, 42% means in decimal, just shift 2%, 2 decimal to the left. Then 0.45 is equal to 0.42, S is equal to as your total saving. Then divide both this side, 0.45, 42, and here also 0.42. What is the answer is there? 640. Here you can see, find the original number. Find the original number. It is a book question, question number 2, 8, 13 and 15. Then how to calculate? You know, convert this one by 90 by 100, because in the percent of means multiply. A is means equal to 785. Then you can see how to convert this one. Then 190 over 100 is 0.9, or you can say with the just directly you can shift a decimal places, 0 and 2, 0 and 9, then decimal. This is the method for convert from percentage to decimal. And you can see multiplied by A is equal to 785. Then you can say how to divide both this side by 0.9. Then A is equal to this. Then multiplied by 10, it will be in whole numbers. What is the answer? This is, you multiply with long division. This one 850. The same question here. 19% of J is 152. Then convert into a decimal. 2 decimal to the left, 9 and 1. Then put a decimal point. And of multiply J is means equal to and 152. Then how to find this one? Divide both this side by 0.19 and you got J is equal to 152 over 0.19. Then in this one, because 2 decimal you want to remove the decimal, then you easily divide by multiplying both the multiply with the 100 both. Then you can see 2 zeros is here and this decimal is shift here, and what is the answer is 800. In the same way here you can see 20% of T is 550. Then again shift 2 decimal point to the left, convert into the decimal is equal to the 550. T is equal to 550 over 0.22. Again multiply, because the 2 decimal after the decimal 2 places of decimals. Then multiply both the with the 100 and you got 2500. And again in the same way 90% of k is this, and shift the decimal to the left is 0.9. K is equal to 225.36. Then you can see k is equal to, again both the side divided by 0.9. Then you can see k is alone, and again shift a decimal point to the one digit in this one only, because multiply with the, or because here is two digits are there, that's why multiplied by 100. Then it will be shift 9 and 0, it become a 90 and it is also a whole number. Then divide with the long division method. What is the answer? 250.4. In this one you can see question number 19, 20 and 21 is compare. That means just compare less than, equal to or greater than. Compare the two equations are given, two statements are given. Then you can see the y is greater or r is greater or both are equal. Then you know how to check this one by the same method you did before. Then 110.5 divided by 0.25. 0.25 convert into the decimal, and you learned before, and then again multiply numerator and the denominator by 100, and what is the answer? 442. And r you calculate is 408. Which one is greater in this one? You can see which one is greater. The y is greater than r. And this question, do it yourself. And the question number 21, again you can check 62.5. What is the meaning of the 62.5%? That means 62.5. Then convert into the decimal, just shift two decimal places is 0.625. Then you can see again the numerator and denominator multiplied by 1000, because in this one how many decimal place? After the decimal place how many digits are there? 3. That means both are numerator and denominator multiplied by 1000. Then what is the answer is 600. The same way here 33 1 by 3. Then what is in convert into this one is 33. What is the meaning of this? 33.333. Then you can see convert into the decimal 0.33 and 3 approximately we can take, because you know 333 is going on, then just 1 I will take. Then again multiply by numerator and denominator with 1000, because after the decimal it will be 3 decimal places. The answer will be 600. Both are equal.